Hello everyone, long time since we have made a public video, so I'm going to give you guys all the updates we have and why we haven't been uploading any public videos, the positive shifts that we are moving forward, and how our members in the retail service they are keep making profits in the market, and how you can join if you want to, and what is going on overall. So you have noticed that we haven't really published any weekends market overview videos since the last 2-3 months. Obviously, there is a reason for that. We have other priorities, of course, which is our members and the retail service. And since the last 5-6 months, I have been also working with an emerging hedge fund that we are building up within this year onwards. So that's why we haven't been uploading. There is no real time. We didn't have time to do that, and obviously, when there is lack of time, priorities are set differently. So I'm going to explain to you the changes and what to expect from this channel, and also what to expect from any of our services along the way. So you will see that this channel, we will actually rebrand it. It's going to be called RCX Global. So RCX Global Group is our hedge fund. So I'm not going to give any details at the moment. This video is for the changes and what to expect from the retail service. If you are a retail trader, how you can join and who can join, because we don't accept everyone just like that. So firstly, let me share with you what we have been doing in the retail service since we started. So the retail service started in March 2024 overall, and until this month, June 2025, our recommendations, trade recommendations to the members, they have took 67.91% from the market in the space of 14-15 months. So essentially, this is 5 times more than a good year in the S&P 500, like 3 to 5 times more, depends on the year. So we are comfortably overperforming any major indices, very comfortably. Minor drawdown, everything is perfect because we can. Keep in mind that in these recommendations, we could have added many more and different instruments. However, the way that I run the service, I consider most retail traders to not have enough capital, for example, to trade gold or any other expensive instruments or futures and so on and so forth. So on this service, I try to keep it as realistic as possible for the average retail trader, and you can see how well we are doing, and we will continue to do anyway, because we can. As I said before, I'm not, for those that didn't understand yet, I'm not a YouTuber. I'm not your fake trader like the other ones you see online. We are legitimate people. That's why we are building up with a hedge fund now, and we are here to support the few that understand it. We don't want, we are not here to give you free, valuable advice or recommendations. If you want value, you have to give value back as well. So that's why we prefer to work only with the right people, and we don't want to do anything, give out anything just like that, because the way that we work is only with value, right? So that's what we have been doing over the last 14-15 months for our retail members. The good thing is that we have a very nice group of people that all of them, they have been losing before, because they have been following your I'm not gonna say, I don't like to say to characterize them, but they have all been following your typical trading guru related channels, and they have all been losing money, because obviously in reality 95% of retail traders lose money. 95% of the services, they are garbage. So of course they will be losing money because they are with the wrong side, right? So in our case, we do make a living from the trading industry, from trading. That's why we are focusing on the hedge fund. So we do this on the side just to help retail traders, because our morals are with the people and not against the people, like 95%. So this is what we do for those who are interested. So how we are moving forward from here? First of all, we are not going to operate on Buy Me a Coffee website anymore. This is the last month. We will delete it. At the moment, we will not have ROI Forecast website because we have the RCX for the hedge fund. But our ROI Forecast service is going to operate privately only, with the right people that will be with us for a long time, like the ones we have now, and the ones that we turn from losers to winners, right? That's our job. So the new members will be accepted, as I said before, with what we call appropriateness criteria. Like if you are registering with a regulated broker, you have certain appropriateness questions that you have to pass through before they can accept you as a client. So our criteria is relatively stricter because we know the type of people that can succeed in trading, and these are the only ones that we are going to work with. So what will be some of the criteria is the mindset, the character, and the financial capability. For example, if you are someone that has a $500 or $1,000 and you want to gamble, go to the casino. Don't come to us. You will see in our membership plans that anyway you can't. So we are only going to work with the right people, with the right mindset, and the willingness to learn. We are not accepting lazy people because they will never make it anyway. Don't wait, let's say, for something to be served in your mouth. You have to also put your own mind and focus in what we show you, right? So how you can join the service? You will need to email at support@roiforecast.com, and as I said, this will operate privately between us. We will give you a reply. We will ask you why you want to join the service. We will ask you certain questions. You will have to answer them. And based on your answers, we will tell you if we can accept you as a member. And if we do so, then you will be provided with the next steps to get onboarded. So what we provide overall. So you will have 2 weekly detailed live analysis sessions with us, with a recording available. You will get access to a private Telegram group for any updates, news, anything related to the market or anything related to the trade recommendations and how to manage the trades. We will always give you more than several reasons for why the market should be doing what to avoid. So we will give you analysis like the order flow, liquidity, and stuff that you will not find anywhere else. So we will never give you anything related to day trading, because day trading is BS. So you need to know that by now. We focus on the right risk management principles and the right way to approach the markets with a healthy mindset. We will explain to you what is the psychology and mindset behind what we do and why we do it, and how that eliminates the negative, let's say, probabilities getting wrong in your trading approach. So we only focus on high probability market environments, and we educate you the right way to look at the markets, not based on prices but based on time. And it's very complicated, not complicated, but I would say it's a very dynamic approach like the markets, because if you don't have a dynamic approach, you will not succeed in the long run. And if you are lucky, you might break even at best if you don't do the way we do it. So we will tell you when, what, and why to avoid certain things. We will, of course, also something that we will offer exclusively only here, because there is no one that has these things, any other services. We cannot onboard you to trade directly with liquidity providers, brokerages that we know, that they will not take the other side like 95%. So successful traders, for those who don't know, they get scammed by most brokers, because most brokers and your popular brokers, they don't want you to make money. They want you to keep losing. So they're happy to take the other side, because this way it's easier and more profitable for the broker if the broker has all the losers. Because imagine $1 million of trading losses is directly 1 million profit for the broker, whereas with volume the broker makes less. So we will guide you on the right providers according to your capital. So of course, the more capital you have, the easier it will be for you to go to higher tiers in terms of the providers. So we will give you specific places that you can sign up, that we know and that we also use, right? Based on your capital and based on what we know, because we know the industry for many years, and we can take you to the right places to ensure that any profits you make, you get paid out. And not only that, places that they will not cheat and scam you with high fees or fake prices or high holding costs of trades or many other things, because 95% of brokers, they can manipulate many things that you are not aware of. So we will take you to the right places only. And soon we will have tier 1 also liquidity, but this will be for bigger retail accounts later down the line. And of course, exclusive members only content. So we share many things with our members that we will never share it publicly. There is a reason for that, and only to the members. So there will be only 2 types of memberships going forward, in order to eliminate the toxic and negative people that will never make it in trading, because we don't want them. We want only the people with the right mindset. So there will be a 6-month and a 12-month membership. And by next year, we might not even have the 6-month. So this is subject to change as well. So for 6 months is 750 in euros, and for 12 months is 1,250 euros. It's a one payment, no split payments. It's only direct. You can pay with a debit card, you can pay with bank transfer or crypto. You can choose whatever you want. You will be provided with a safe, secure Stripe payment link, or you can also choose to go with crypto. Is your decision. It doesn't matter, because we do not issue any refunds. We don't want any negative or drama people. We only work with serious people, and we want to stay like we are, because we have only successful members. 100% we want to keep it like that, because we can. So if you come to our service and you have the right criteria, we know that you will start paying attention, learn, and this way you stay with us pretty much for the entirety of the time that we operate the service, because you are making profits. So you make profits, you are happy, you stay with us. We are happy, because we don't make this for a living. We don't do this service to make money. We just do it to help people, because this membership fees, they barely cover our operating cost for the service. So we just do it to help you out. And we do it because we want to feel when we go to bed that we sleep with peace, knowing that we help people today and people benefit from us. So we have all positive outcomes across the board. So this is the type of people that we are and the type of people that we want to work with. So this is the update video. Hopefully it's clear from everyone. Do not expect from us any free analysis service on YouTube. You already have thousands of fake analysis channels on YouTube. You can keep watching them. If you want to gamble your money, feel free to do that. For those who want to be on the winning side and you have the right criteria, feel free to get in touch, support@roiforecast.com. We can exchange a few emails and see where you are. And if you want to join, you are welcome to do so. If you decide so, we believe that you will stay with us for the long run. And for those who want, for those who have basically more than $100,000 and generally you have a decent amount of liquidity and you don't want to put the time and effort to trade your own money, you can always invest with our hedge fund. We can make for you between 30% on average per year net for you. 20-30%. This is the average that we will give you on a yearly basis, and you can always choose to increase your investment anytime. Everything is done by contract. You will have also a certificate from the company, a legal document with your specific contract number. Because you are buying shares in the company, we do the trading, you get your profits. Very simple. So for the hedge fund, you will see content very soon, from July, August, as we said. So this is what we wanted to share today, what to expect from the channel. And we are going to be doing quality content such as podcasts, discussions, share some events that we go. We will have certain content about economic outlooks, tips on wealth diversification, and many other things from our office as well. So this will be coming, if not from July, from August onwards. We will be preparing July, August, the topics, how we will do it, and the schedule that we are going to follow. So for those who have been here and you want to keep receiving quality content, be patient, stay tuned. You will get it very soon from this channel. We are going to rebrand it, as I said, to RCX Global, because this is our priority to grow our hedge fund, and because we know that we can be and we are much more competitive from the main hedge funds in the industry. So you will see many things soon from our side. For the retail traders, you can get in touch at support@roiforecast.com, and we will be in touch within one business day at the most. And if you fill the criteria, you will be provided with the directions on how to sign up, and we are happy to onboard you and help you to become a successful trader. So enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thank you for those who have been patient with the channel, and we will see you soon. Take care.